So some hail tonight. I haven't seen any reports of any, this hasn't been a situation where we've had baseball size hail, but there have been one or two spots that have had some golf ball size hail.
Oh, yeah.
I would say.
You showed me one.
Allen.
Yeah, well, I saw the picture, and Dave's a pretty good sized guy, but you can never tell how big that hail is because there was no reference point there. You know what I'm saying?
He said it's the biggest he's seen in 30 years.
Well, I mean, Dave lives in a cave, so I'm friends with Dave. Let me show you this, though. I do have some pictures. Tiffany Liu, have you heard of this young lady, Cynthia?
She's a promising young reporter.
Promising young reporter. Look, that's 1 inch hail. I like that. You know why I know it's 1 inch?
Because there's a
there's a ruler right there. Well, it's about 3/4, a little more than 3/4 of an inch.
Measure.
Thanks to Tiffany. She sat in our severe weather training. This is what I've noticed a lot of. I mean, this is pea-sized hail, but it really piled up in Mesquite, okay? And then Teresa Woodard, another young aspiring journalist here at WFA. I guess the only video and pictures I've had tonight is from folks that work at WFA. This is a lot, but I mean, it's a lot of pea-sized hail in Arlington. That's what a lot of folks saw tonight. It's not severe. Severe hail is a quarter size or larger, but I mean, that's a lot of hail coming down. And then Jay Rosser in North Dallas, more pea-size hail in North Dallas. My thanks to JR for sending me that. Audrey Clark in Euless, there's a quarter right there. So you can see the hail. Oh, that's probably nickel size. This one's close to quarter size. So there we are. And then dime to quarter size hail in Richardson tonight. You can see the hail hitting the turf here. So, but no damage. And then this was hail up in Plano tonight. A lot of pea-sized hail that took place there. We have there's only one severe thunderstorm. This is over here off to the east in Rockwall County, northern Kaufman County. Severe thunderstorm warning until 10:30 tonight. That's shifting to the south. It'll arrive in Terrell at 10:37, Talty at 10:40. If it holds together, Polk Oast, Bend City, it'll arrive there a little bit later. This thunderstorm that was severe in Collin County, that's fallen apart. Little lightning up here between Gainesville and Sherman, south of 82, right along 377 north of Pilot Point. That's not severe, but a little bit of lightning. That's the way it looks now. Watch this. Here's your forecast. Here's midnight tonight. Rains to the east of us. Then around 2 in the morning, we'll have some showers and thunderstorms develop up here to the northeast of the Metroplex. There it is at 4 o'clock in the morning, 7 tomorrow morning, and then we'll keep a little scattered rain noon tomorrow. We'll keep some scattered rain around as we head through the day tomorrow. So tonight, scattered showers and thunderstorms continue. 62, that's the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, about 30% of us see rain. 30% coverage in the morning, about 20% during the afternoon. Lots of clouds tomorrow, but some sun will hit 80 tomorrow. Higher rain coverage on Thursday, a high of 40% of us see rain, a high of 77. 60% of us see rain on Friday. I'd say the best time for rain Friday's in the morning. I'm not ruling out some scattered showers in the afternoon, but the better time for rain is in the morning. Sunshine, mid to upper 80s for the weekend, 70s to start next week, and then a couple of other chances of rain as we head through the final 7 of the 14-day forecast.